Today, we're diving deep into the realm of artificial intelligence, specifically focusing on how AI makes optimal decisions in games. From classic chess matches to modern strategy games, AI's decision-making process is a fascinating journey of logic, strategy, and computational prowess. Artificial intelligence, or AI, aims to simulate human intelligence in machines. In the context of games, AI is programmed to make decisions and take actions to achieve certain goals. Examples of games in AI range from classic board games like chess and go to modern video games. Optimal decision-making in AI refers to the process of making the best possible choice from a set of alternatives based on certain criteria. This involves evaluating potential outcomes and selecting the one that maximizes the AI's chances of success. Game theory forms the basis of AI decision-making, where strategies are developed to optimize outcomes. The Minimax algorithm, for example, is used by AI to minimize potential losses in a worst-case scenario. Additionally, alpha-beta pruning is an optimization technique that reduces the number of nodes evaluated in the search tree, making the decision-making process more efficient. AI's decision-making in games has real-world applications, as seen in historic matches like IBM's Deep Blue versus Garry Kasparov and Google DeepMind's AlphaGo. The implications of AI's decision-making in games extend to fields such as economics, military strategy, and healthcare, showcasing the broader impact of AI beyond gaming. However, AI faces challenges in making optimal decisions, including computational limitations, the complexity of real-world scenarios, and ethical considerations. Researchers are addressing these challenges by developing more efficient algorithms and incorporating machine learning techniques to enhance AI's decision-making capabilities. In conclusion, the future of AI in games and beyond holds potential advancements and impacts on various aspects of life and society. We encourage viewers to engage by commenting their thoughts and subscribing for more insightful content on AI. If you're fascinated by how artificial intelligence is transforming our world, especially through games, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay curious and keep exploring the world of AI with us.